We're back at Harrah's. This time we're in a 2-queen mountain view. Now we did stay in a 2-queen before. If you watch our videos, we do have a 2-queen. I think that's the Valley Tower. It's the one closest to reception. And there's a little bar outside. This one is right next to the food court, closer to the casino. We've never stayed here before, so we wanted to show you guys what you can expect if you get a mountain view 2-queen here at Harrah's. And I'm gonna let the cat out of the bag. There's no mountain view, so we'll get to that. Anyhow, so right here in the entry area, something that's pretty neat is you have to put your room key in here for the light switch to work here in the entry. So I'm sure that's probably power saving, but pretty neat. Good to see that they're trying to save energy and stuff. So the bathroom is actually really nice. It's spacious for what some might consider an economy hotel here on the Strip. But it's nice, actually. It's clean and remodeled. Really nice. In case you were wondering where the closet is, it's behind the bathroom door when you open it. I can't believe I missed it. I didn't even realize when I was standing out there that there was no closet. But this is really kind of weird. But you know what? One thing to consider, this room, the Mountain 2-Queen, is 300 square feet, whereas the Valley rooms on that side are 340. So now let's check the room out. Nice and big. Here you have your little Get Pretty desk right there. Or Get Handsome. Get Pretty, Get Handsome. Your safe, 3 drawers. You have another little work desk here. And that's it. You got your centerpiece, your link, flat screen, and here is the mountain view. The mountain view is a view of the other tower, the Valley Tower. But I think that's a new building right there that probably just took the view of the mountain. So actually, you know what? There's a little sliver of mountain through the Ferris wheel over there. I see you, little sliver. But all in all, you know what? This is a comp through Caesars Rewards. And if you guys watch my videos, I'm a big fan of Caesars Rewards. They always take care of us, and in my opinion only, so don't roast me, Caesars Rewards program is better than MGM. I do get free room offers with MGM. I am platinum with them, which is the second to highest, but I still have to pay resort fees and taxes on those resort fees. Maybe I just don't gamble enough to get a comp. But with Caesars, a comp is free. So this is free. There's no resort fee, so there's no taxes. So it's a free. So if you're like me and you like to find little bargains, this is where you can use your reward credits and get different things that are real comps and have a great stay. Also, don't forget, Harrah's rooms do not have a refrigerator in the room. However, if you need one, if you have like medicine, insulin, whatever the case may be, baby milk, all that stuff, you can just ask for one downstairs and they'll bring one up to your room, and it doesn't cost you anything. So like, subscribe. What's not to like? Always showing you is things here in Vegas. Let us know what you guys want to see. We'll do our best to bring it to you.